So now I want to show you two stretch exercises and two strengthening exercises. Okay, I'm going to show you here in my little room, but I'll be posting in our group, Back Pain Relief Hub, more exercises with the videos so you guys can do it on yourself, by yourself. Okay, so let me see if you guys can see it. So the first one is called the seated pigeon stretch. So you don't even have to get up of your chair. Okay, so I'm gonna go back here. Nope, let me go down a little more. There you go. So you're seated, yeah, and you feel pain. Sometimes it's just your hips. So what do? You're gonna extend your legs. You're gonna cross one over, and then you're gonna bring this up. Now your knee might be up here, so I want you to push that down, back straight. Yeah? Now from here, I want you to lean forward until you feel the stretch here. That's enough. If you hold on that position for about a minute on each side, you will feel a bit of a difference. Okay, so this is a stretch for the piriformis, a muscle that connects the pelvis to the outside of the femur. If it's tight, it pulls your pelvis in, and all the muscles above it can't function properly. So by releasing it, you can take some pressure off of it. Okay, now let's work on the opposite, your hip flexor, the only muscle connecting your upper body to your lower body. Okay, again, if you're seated, the muscle is always compressed. So I'm going to show this on the floor. For this one, you will have to get up. So I'm going to show you right there. Here we go. So on the floor, the closer your knee is from the sofa, the harder this will be. Okay? From here, you're going to lift one up, and you're going to extend yourself up. Now, for some of you, this might be quite a lot. You're going to feel a big stretch right here on the front of your thigh. So what do? You move your knee forward, okay? Now, if this is still too much, on the floor, okay? But for this live, I want to have my foot up there. Now, from here, squeeze your glute and push your hips forward. You're going to feel a big stretch here. That's it. Try not to be here. Try to stay up here. The goal is to make this U shape on the side of your body. Yeah? So these are the two stretches for your glute and hip flexor. Now, when you're there, do not push through pain. Focus on your breathing. The more you relax, the more these muscles relax. A simple strategy: inhale for 3 seconds, exhale for 6. Okay? Shift your mind away from the pain and use your breathing as an anchor. If it's hurting too much, dial back a little. Make sense? Okay. Now I want to move on to two strengthening exercises for these two muscles, your glute and your hip flexor, which tend to be a big contributor for these back pain. Okay? So, first one for your glute. This is the single leg glute bridge. Let's see. It's quite tight, but you guys are going to be able to see it. Okay, so on the floor, hands on the side, you're going to lift one leg up. Now we're going to push through your heel. Okay? Squeeze your glute. Down. Up. Down. A single leg glute bridge is one of the best exercises for your hips. Okay, you do it slow. You push your hips as high as you can and you squeeze your glutes. How many reps? 10, 12, 15. Make sure it's burning. Second exercise for your hip flexor. Again, the opposite of your glutes. This is easy. Okay, so see, let me go. Okay. Here you go. Seated on the floor, leg extended, hands by your hips, toes pointing, lift up, down, up, down, up, pause, down, slow and controlled. If you want to make it harder, pick something, put it on the floor, and you go like this. So it might seem like it's nothing, but these last two specifically, you are building strength. Okay. You are really pulling blood into the muscle. It's like when you run, yeah, and you cut yourself, you don't really feel that cut, yeah, because there's a lot of blood. You're warm. So the warmer the structure is, the less pain you're likely to feel. So if you feel lower back pain, think about stretching and strengthening the muscles surrounding it, core and hips. Make sense? Like I said, I'll be posting more videos, three each, so you can do at home. Don't need any extra weight, it's just your body weight. I'm going to be posting in the group, yeah? The lower back pain relief hub. All right. Now, remember the key is consistency. These are miracle cures that work instantly. They are habits that practice regularly create a healthier and more resilient lower back over time. Okay. So this is not a pill. Okay. This is work that you have to do over time. Um, so I just want to emphasize this. I know it can be challenging to carve out times, even a few minutes a day when the day is just hectic. But trust me, these short breaks are your secret weapon against lower back pain. They will keep your muscles nourished, the blood flowing, and your body in a state that's less prone to pain. Okay? So these are a few ways that you can cope with your lower back pain from a physical health point of view.